Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vivica from the Nourish Caveman blog and the Healing Foods Method program. And it's Friday afternoon. Happy Friday. So today I am doing this quick unannounced video for you because I was here in between patients trying to clean my kitchen and having a low energy moment. It's Friday, it's been a long week, and I'm sure you guys can relate. I know somebody's watching. What do you feel about Friday afternoon, you guys? Shoot me out a comment or wave or show me you're there because I want to see how you feel about Friday afternoon. I'm pretty pooped this week. So as I had to undertake the task of cleaning my kitchen, I decided that I deserved a treat. I had lunch about 2 hours ago. I made myself a little sear steak, and some kimchi, just a quick lunch in between calls, and then back to some calls. And I just finished a call, and so I was like, I need to clean the kitchen. It's a mess. So I came into the kitchen and I started thinking, chocolate. Yes, even to me it happens. What do you guys feel about chocolate? Do you like chocolate? I am usually not a huge fan, not one of those people that will go crazy. Hey, hi Carmen. Good to see you here. We need to talk. Anyways, so yeah, I am not a chocolate obsessed person, but today it was just one of those moments where like, I just need some chocolate. And so I was thinking, well, chocolate, maybe I can make myself a little fat bomb so it'll power me all through the afternoon. I got to finish the blog post. Oh my goodness, I'll never get it done otherwise. And I have one more call, so I needed that extra moral support. And you guys know I don't do caffeine because I take care of my adrenals. And usually my energy is really steady throughout the day. But yes, there is the moments where you want a little chocolate. So because we are keto paleo over here and we want our chocolate to be really good for you, I have an awesome invention. And as soon as I made it and I tasted it, I was like, oh my goodness, I got to share this right now. And it's Friday afternoon. I'm sure that you're going to go home or you are home and you're going to just run to your fridge and want to do this right away. So 4 ingredients, just 4 ingredients, super easy. And we're going to start with secret ingredient number 1. It's an avocado. What does an avocado do in my chocolate fat bombs? Well, this is the latest trend, you guys, for foodies. Avocado and chocolate, they go together. Wow. So, hi Brenda. Yes, please watch later. It's going to be here on the page. And I'm sorry, you guys, it's all shaky, but I forgot my tripod again. I was so excited and I didn't set up anything at all. I just stormed into this video. So here's the avocado. Secret ingredient number 2, chocolate cacao powder from Trader Joe's. And you might use any cacao powder. I'll try to put some links under the video to see if I can find something really good. But whatever you have, please use organic, unsweetened. That's where we are on Friday. We can't speak. And third ingredient is my favorite sweetener. I switched from Swerve to Lakanto because Lakanto is more natural, is partly plant-based, is not 100% plant, but there is okay, see, this is where we are on live video. Monk fruit sugar and also erythritol. So I find is the one that spikes my blood sugar the least. And yeah, I like the flavor and the consistency. It's very fine, so it works for most applications. And then this is the last secret ingredient that I threw in there is my keto butter. So I love this stuff, and as you can see, it's finished. Again, keto butter is the bomb, is the ultimate fat bomb even by itself, but I like it because it has macadamias, MCT, and what else is in there? Some cashews, a little bit of cashews for flavor mainly, and then coconut butter and MCT oil. if you don't have keto butter, I would probably use, let's see, without keto butter, what would I use? I would use coconut oil and probably almond butter. That would be like my best substitution. But I strongly recommend at least trying the keto butter, and this combination just came out amazing. So I'm going to switch off the camera, turn it around, and here we go. So this is what I did. I just threw all those guys right there into this container for the blender. This is my stick blender, and I just threw my stick blender in there and blended it for about 5 minutes. And I already did it, so I can't repeat it for you because I finished the keto butter, unfortunately. But I'm going to show you what the results were. And this is my, come on, get in focus, my result. I blended it really good. Let's go back to here. And so it became a nice cream. So what I want to do with this amazing, and by the way, I just want to eat those all, but I'm going to wait. So a little off screen. I do have a little mold. Let's see if I find them. Yes, they're here. So I'm going to put it in here. These are my little silicone mold. And I'm going to stick it in the fridge, and it should get just consistent enough because this is just freshly made live recipe. So I am not sure if the fridge is going to be enough. We might have to stick it in the freezer to have a hard consistency. If you want to take it with you, I would say freezer. If you want to just keep it in the house and then eat it around here, then fridge. But I'm going to do this. Oh my goodness. You're lucky I left you some to see. This is good stuff. So, chocolatey, healthy fat bomb. This is one of the things that you can make. If you have all the ingredients, it took me exactly a minute to make it. Throw it all together, make a batch, throw it in your fridge, fill up this little container, and then keep it for those moments like today when you're having that energy slump, you're having that motivation slump. You need to stay keto and you need something really good to prevent you from straying. So this will hit the spot. Any questions? I know some of you are watching. Hi, Cindy. I have not done the macros because literally I just made this, freshly created. So I am going to calculate the macros afterwards and put them under the video for you guys. Okay, I suspect the carbs are really low because the only carb here was from the cacao powder, which I only put about a tablespoon, and I have no glasses, but here is my nutrition info. So I'm going to check out the butter here, and then I will find out how many carbs there are. Okay, any other questions for this chocolatey? Oh yeah, the avocado, that's right. Oops, yes, there is the avocado. So, and as bad as the carbs, like we also want to separate the net carbs from the fiber. I don't always do that, by the way. Sometimes when I start people new on keto, we calculate whole carbs. And only once you're keto adapted, we start calculating net carbs. But for myself, at this point, I do net carbs, and that's fine. Any other questions before I have to go back to work? Thank you for watching. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday, and I'll see you guys here soon on the Nourished Caveman.